Are you a consultant? Are you trying to close some leads? Yeah, me too. I really am. Well, lucky for you, here at testimonial.to, we have an amazing way for you to close leads with our new portfolio page feature. Now, I have a consulting page on my own website. However, having a page like this is kind of a lot of work to make, and sometimes it's just not even needed, right? There's just too much. Who needs all this info? It's kind of a lot, right? Who needs all this? What we do need, however, is the following. We need a page that showcases our portfolio just a little bit, and just enough to where this makes sense, okay? So inside of my testimonial.to account, you can see I can pick one of these wonderful different spaces I'm in, right? And then from there, I could go to edit portfolio page, and you'll see very quickly, ooh, look at that. I can add an about me section. So my name is Dimitri Panici. I can say about me, and I'm gonna add my logo really quick. Now, this is a fun logo. It essentially is back in my Notion consulting days when I had a little bit of a Notion face avatar built before they came out with Notion faces. And I can put Notion consultant. And then as this loads, all right, so now I have this face here. I can paste out what I had on my landing page, but it could be something like this, just basically saying, hi, I'm a consultant, what I do, kind of the breakdown, right? And from here, now you'll see it says, hi, my name is Dimitri. I'm a Notion consultant and business systems and workflow builder. As someone who has built their business's workflow from the ground up in Notion, I know how to get your business on track when starting from zero. Cool. So this is like a very nice basic starting point. But then from there, what I can do is if I have any reviews that people have given me, right? I can add this wall of love breakdown, and I can change the layout to what I want. I like the carousel builder personally. I can minimize attached images, change the card size, change the color of the left to right arrow to be something like blue, turn on autoplay, anything like that. So if I press select, whatever I want to adjust here, I basically can. And I can change it to something like this, which I do like as well. It's a pretty cool one. But if I'm gonna go with this, I kind of like the horizontal adjustment. I can even reverse the direction, show the heart animation. There's a lot of different cool things you can add here. Okay, so I can add this little side by side, right? And this essentially, we have the ideas getting placed here. We can add the profile pages of myself, like the LinkedIn one or the previously known as Twitter one, which you can have embedded right there. And then last but not least, you also can add CTA here. So I could put let's work together. And then from this homepage, I have this form embedded, and I actually can take that link from the website. And as you can see, when I go to the view portfolio page, now what we have is a entire landing page essentially, where someone can see the reviews, see what I do, and then simply fill out a form, press submit, and they're on their way. This is not as easy as it looks, right? In other platforms. It does take a lot of time and effort, but in under 5 minutes here, I set up a consulting webpage. So cool. So amazing, and it can only be done with testimonial.to, and it's great integration between its testimonials and its really cool portfolio builder. With that being said, if you want to try this out, make sure to go to testimonial.to today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.